You're ready to go? I give you a countdown. All right, there we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Let's go.
Good morning, namaskar, and sat sri akal.
Good morning, everyone.
I am Prince Tuli, along with my friend Rotarian Rocky Badra. As it takes two to tango, so we both will be trying to entertain you all for coming 30 minutes. Please bear with us.
Prince, there is nothing to bear with us. You know, लॉकडाउन की वजह से क्लब ने मेंबरशिप ड्यूज थोड़े कम किए हैं. So they couldn't afford any high-flying RJ or something, and this we are the best they could afford.
यार हम
And
किसी आरजे से कम थोड़े ना है. Yes, I can agree कि बजट थोड़ा सा कम है, तभी पोडियम का साइज भी थोड़ा छोटा है. But anyway, our club has got lot of talents and they give ample opportunity to their members to showcase their talent. So we are today going to entertain you and we'll have lots of fun, masti in this minus 30 minutes. So today is a big day for our president, incoming president Jerry, who will be crowned by RCN crowned today as a president of Rotary Club of Nagpur.
बिल्कुल well said, Prince. Before the pandemic set, we almost had 6 big fellowship meetings, 6 big parties, and we have all made wonderful friends in those events, wonderful memories. और इतने अच्छे हमने उसमें प्लेस किए हैं. कोई जय बना है
और तो कोई गब्बर भी बना है. But yes, we really had a great time. We really had fun. We really had मस्ती and दोस्ती बनाई है, दोस्त बनाए हैं. And those days, we really remember those days.
और दोस्ती पे क्या खूब कहा है, क्या खूब लिखा है मजरूह सुल्तानपुरी साहब ने कि अकेला ही चला था जानिबे मंजिल मगर,
वाह,
अकेला ही चला था जानिबे मंजिल मगर दोस्त जुड़ते गए कारवां बनता गया. और ऐसे ही एक कारवां की दास्तान इस वीडियो के माध्यम से हम देखते हैं, इस वीडियो के थ्रू हम देखते हैं हमारी लास्ट मॉनसून फेलोशिप. कैन आई हैव द वीडियो प्लीज?
Really, those were the days, यार.
और प्रिंस, क्या एक से एक खास दोस्त हमको आरसीएन ने दिए हैं.
ओ यार, दोस्त खास नहीं, वो पंजाबी च कहंदे ने ना, ओ यार खास नहीं होंदे, जिदे नाल यारी लग जाए वो खास हो जांदे ने.
ठीक है यार. And definitely coming years will get more opportunities to make new friends in the club.
या श्योरली हमें जो दोस्त मिले हैं, जो मस्ती की है, जो वो समा बांधा है, वो हमेशा याद रहता है। और दोस्ती पे मैं कुछ ऐसा कहूँगा कि उस संग यारी कदे ना लाइए। हाँ जी, उस संग यारी कदे ना लाइए जिन्नू अपने आप ते गुरूर होए।
ओहो,
माँ बाप नू बुरा ना कहिए पावे लख ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਕਸੂਰ ਹੋਵੇ। और राह चलदे नू दिल ना दईए, राह चलदे नू दिल ना दईए पावे लख चेहरे ते नूर होए। ओ मेरे यारा यारियां उस संग लाइए जिथे यारी निभान दा दस्तूर होए।
yes, surely the show must go on. And let's begin. Let's have some interaction with all our participants, with all our RCN members who have joined us via the Zoom platform. Or
as we promised that we are going to have gifts, lot of prizes to be won. So we'll be having us just quick games, and the rules of the games are like you don't have to speak. Just you have to type the answer in the chat box, and whoever gives the answer first will be the winner. And he'll be getting a bumper prizes from RCN, that too delivered on your doorsteps. So are you guys ready?
all right, all participants on the Zoom meeting, these games are for you. And I can see lots. I can see 55 participants on the Zoom meeting. The first game that I'm proposing is anyone who can show me a Nokia mobile phone.
Everyone has to be quick. We don't have much of time.
Anyone who can show me a Nokia mobile phone on the Zoom meeting on your cameras? All right, I can see Mahendra over there searching for one in his drawer.
Just type your name in the chat box. Whoever gets
Sonia
it first.
Khurana is searching for the same in the hall.
By the time we'll go to the next question,
Ritu is already on a motorbike searching for a Nokia phone.
we don't want the picture from the internet. We want the, phone to be shown. Mahendra Bhai is searching something on internet.
All right.
So next question we'll take it as you have to type in the chat box most frequently used internet abbreviations. ASAP. We want the full form for this. ASAP. You have to write it in the chat box.
Okay, chats. We have some chats. And I guess somebody is about Rajiv Agrawal. That is Revati Mulmule. We got the first answer from Revati Mulmule. And she wins the prize for that particular thing. The second one.
The second one, I'll say BC.
Oh, not the normal BC, huh?
Don't take me wrong. BC. Anyone for the...
Not the Punjabi BC.
Yeah, it's Ruchi Uppal.
Okay, we got the answer from Ruchi Uppal.
So,
Before Christ. Because, okay, sorry. Okay, many of our members are Paul Harris Fellows. So on the cameras, if you can show me your Paul Harris pin or Paul Harris certificate. PH certificate or PH pin on the camera.
On the camera.
I am not able to gather. Okay, Mahendra has brought on the camera his PH certificate. So this one goes to Mahendra Kamath.
Great, Mahendra bhai. Now the next question, जिसने काफी लोगों को रातों रात हिला दिया. I could say.
We are told by the president not to discuss any controversial topics.
No, it's not a controversial topic created by any Rotary. It's like मोदी जी ने किया था यार, हमने थोड़ा ना किया.
अच्छा ठीक है.
the highest value of demonetized currency note. Who
पुराने
has got?
500 और 1000 के नोट्स जो
बंद
सबसे
हुए
ज्यादा
हुए।
वैल्यू में कैमरे पे दिखाएगा राइट नाउ,
एक भी चलेगा.
मे बी a 500 rupee can win you
Old 500 and 1000 rupees note.
on the camera. इसीलिए तो नहीं बताया पहले. Alright,
चलो,
I can
अना-
see people searching for it.
Another abbreviation. Yeah. This Mayank to everyone. Mayank ने
1000.
दिखाया
Where is
था.
my? Yes. Ruchipal is showing 1000 rupees.
Anybody else more than 1000? ये इन लोगों की फोटो खींचो यार, वो पुलिस में देनी पड़ेगी.
Ruchi Uppal. This one goes to Ruchi Uppal.
Again,
She-
Ruchi Uppal. Wow.
She has shown 1000 rupees. What we have now compiled is a small quiz, and the pattern is very simple. You'll be shown 4 pictures of Nagpur city. In the chat box, you'll have to tell which place is that. Very simple. Which place is that? You'll have to tell in the chat box. 4 pictures of Nagpur city, and thereafter we have put in a few faces of our Rotary members in a blender, and we came out with the blended pictures of theirs. So after that we'll have those. Can I please have the PPT? All right. Yes. Which place is this?
Which place is this in Nagpur?
You can please write in the chat box. I got the answer, but the first person to give the correct answer was Revati Mulmule. Revati Mulmule has got this one right. All right, I'm putting on the next picture. Which place is this? Okay, Ruchi Uppal has got the answer. This is Raman Science. Ruchi Uppal has got the answer. This is Raman Science Center.
Next
The
one.
next picture is all right. Yes, Neeru Kapai. Neeru Kapai ma'am has rotated. Neeru Kapai ma'am has got the answer. That is Jama Masjid in Mominpura. Now this one. Come on, waiting for the answer, guys. Somebody in the hall has said, I'm waiting for. No. No.
Next
All right, nobody is getting it. Nobody is getting this one. This is the Sitapati Fort. This is the Sitapati Fort. All right, the next one. Who's this person? Oh my God. That is our dear. That is Paul Harris and our dear Sati uncle combined into one. Okay, and the next one. Nobody. Who's this? And
इनकमिंग
okay, this is the answer.
खड़ा कराओ ना, टाइम नहीं रहेगा. जितने
We
इनकमिंग
are,
बोर्ड है उनको यहाँ
we are running short of time, so we'll move on to the next.
All right, we skip this one and we move on.
We move on. There are many hidden treasure in our club, and we'd like to take out that hidden treasure from our members. We could identify a few of our members sitting here. We'll just have one question, and then we'll move on to the welcome of our new board.
So as we are getting ready for the red carpet, I welcome our Honorable District Governor, Ramesh Meherji, who has just arrived. Thank you very much, sir. Sir, you can be seated here. We are just starting the welcome ceremony. Yeah. Thank you.
First on the list, we have our President Sandeep Dhodapkar.
Welcome, Sandeep. Sandeep and Rita, First Lady Rita Dhodapkar.
First Lady.
Welcome, Sandeep.
Welcome, sir. Welcome.
So, how tough was the year? You'll explain that in your speech also.
It's also said that when going gets tough, the tough gets going. Yani, the time was really tough and unprecedented, but you did excellent. For me, you are 100 on 100. But how you will explain your entire term in just one sentence? We are short of time. One sentence.
It's credit to all the members, each and every one of them, that I was able to get through this year. As simple as that.
Wow. Excellent.
Thank you.
Now we have next our president-elect coming, Jerry Watchmaker.
Jeristin Watchmaker along with husband Cyrus
Watchmaker. Queen of the day.
All right, Jerry, there are so many beautiful events that Rotary Club of Nagpur organizes. So which one is your favorite? It is very tough. It's like asking a mother.
The favorite event for me, I would pin it to the Rotary Cricket League.
Oh, wow.
And the reason for that is because it has taught me teamwork, it has taught me bonding, it has taught me how to get there and lose and still put a smiling face.
Beautiful.
Thank you.
Great.
Thank you.
Now we have Rotarian Nilufar Rana.
Welcome, Nilufar.
Welcome,
everything
Nilufar.
Everything under the protocol for you. The thing is, as a secretary, you have given such a beautiful time to the club. So when you become the president next year, what can you do to, lessen the load of a secretary?
She'll work all alone.
No, I don't think it is possible to work all alone. You need to share your work and delegate it properly. Then only the things go well.
All right. Thank you.
Next on the card is Rotarian Namita Sharma.
Oh,
I would say sincere and hardworking.
one woman army of...
One woman army. Welcome, Namita.
Namita.
What one thing would you like to add in Rotary? From your side.
This is a difficult question.
I know you can answer.
I will definitely like to add working more towards environment, I can say right now.
Oh, great,
Yeah.
Great answer.
All right, next we have our outgoing secretary,
Khamosh man.
Parag Date.
A Khamosh man who finally starts speaking.
Silent vocal. Parag, I have a very simple question for you. See, you are an architect, very good at imagination. I mean, कल्पना आप बहुत अच्छी कर सकते हैं. तो
करनी पड़ती है.
तो कल्पना कीजिए कि आपके पास दो फ़ोन हैं और संदीप का और कल्पना का साइमल्टेनियसली एक साथ बजा है. आप पहले कौन सा उठाएंगे?
दोनों एक साथ उठाऊंगा, एक को म्यूट करूंगा और दूसरे से बात करूंगा.
Good one. Diplomatic answer. So we are running short of time. We'll quickly have
The introductions.
3 introduction at a time. So I'll call upon Rakhi Bhatia.
Rakhi Bhatia, the incoming secretary,
Gogi Bhasin,
Rotarian. Sir, Rakhi,
outgoing treasurer, and Rahul Chaudhary.
Rakhi,
Rotarian Rahul
I have a
Chaudhary.
question for Rakhi. We cannot skip, please.
Rakhi, did you bought your new sneakers?
We've heard you bought new pair of sneakers because it is learned that Jerry will take all her meetings running.
Morning walk, morning jog, 1.5 hour.
We decided on cycling rather.
Cycling? Okay, so all the meetings will be held while cycling together? That's so nice.
Secretary is having upper hand over president. So
All right.
we have Gogi Paji. अच्छा आप लोगों को पता है ये लॉकडाउन क्यों लगा है? पता है रॉकी?
नहीं यार, दसो.
ਉਹਦੇ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨਾਲ ਵੱਡਾ ਕਾਰਨ ਗੋਗੀ ਭਾਜੀ ਦਾ ਹੈ।
ਗੋਗੀ ਭਾਜੀ ਦਾ
ਹਾਂਜੀ
ਕਿਦਾਂ?
ਉਹ ਕਿਦਾਂ ਇਹ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਨੇ ਨਾ ਮੈਂ खाता हूँ ना मैं पीता हूँ, मैं ट्रेजर बनाऊँ ना मैं खिलाऊंगा ना मैं पिलाऊंगा।
पार्टीज कैंसिल।
पार्टीज आर कैंसिल, लॉकडाउन लगा दो, यही एक तरीका है, अदरवाइज रोटरी का प्रोटोकॉल तो तोड़ नहीं
हो रही है
सकते।
ना
वी हैव राहुल चौधरी। राहुल, बहुत से नशे तो आपने किए होंगे, करते भी हैं, तो हम ये जानना चाहते हैं कि रोटरी आपको ऐसा कौन सा नशा करते हो कि जो किक देती है आप जॉइंट सेक्रेटरी तक बनने के लिए तैयार हो गए? ये रोटरी का कौन सा नशा है?
ये नशा सब दोस्तों से मिलने का, बहुत सारे ऐसे काम करने का जो शायद रोटरी के सिवा ना कर पाए उनका।
All right, that was the time we had for the introductions, and we'll quickly call everyone on all incoming board members on the red carpet. Please, Ragini Sahu ma'am.
Dr. Harish Warbe, Rotarian
please.
Neerja Shukl, Rotarian Mank, Rotarian Harshit, Rotarian Mohammad Master, Rotarian Shweta Singh, she's
And
not there,
the
I
captain
guess.
for
Captain of the show,
Rotarian
Rotarian
Singh.
Sanjay Singh, Rotarian Anjali Minocha, Rotarian Kusum Pandey.
All right, that's it, guys. That's it. We wrap up our 30-minute show. Thank you for being with us, and we welcome DG Ramesh sir, please. And Assistant Governor Virendra ji.
So as all good thing comes to end for a new beginning, so here we end up our show for the main function of today's installation ceremony of Rotarian Geristrine Watchmaker.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.